The men and women we elect to represent us in Washington are in the middle of what some believe is a political crisis. Others downplay it as a temporary transition. Here's where most of them stand given their recent statements. 2 Democrat Congress members are outright against President Trump's decision. 3 Republicans, including 2 senators and a Democrat rep, have raised questions about the timing and basis of the decision. And 2 Republican Congress members fully support the president's decision. One of them, East Valley Republican Congressmember Andy Biggs, telling the Arizona Republic, "I think it was appropriate." Director Comey had really lost a lot of support from both sides of the aisle. Among those less convinced, Republican Senator Jeff Flake, who tweeted, "Trying to find an acceptable rationale for the timing of Comey's firing. I just can't do it." Democrat Congresswoman Kyrsten Sinema expressing concern, saying Congress must establish an independent investigation into Russian interference in U.S. elections. Watch carefully who will Trump appoint as next FBI director. And Democrat Congressman Ruben Gallego in staunch disagreement, saying, "Let's be clear about what happened. President Trump just fired the person in charge of investigating his campaign's ties to Russian interference. Even more troubling, he will now be able to direct the hiring of the next person in charge of that investigation." So this isn't strictly a partisan issue. There is some gray area in the middle. 2 local Congress members, as best as we can tell, have not taken a public stance on this at all. We reached out to them, Republicans Trent Frank and David Schweikart. We have not heard back from their offices. Joe Dana, 12 News.